This rice and pea risotto is super creamy, simple, and really flavorful. You absolutely have to try it. We'll start by making a sauté. Drizzle some oil in a pan, add the chopped shallot to the pan, and let it cook slowly for 2 or 3 minutes. Then add the peas and a pinch of salt, cover with water, and as soon as it reaches a boil, let it cook for 5 minutes. Remove about half of the peas, which we will blend. Add a little cold water. The cold water will help both maintain their color and makes the cream a little less dense. Set that aside. In the pot with the peas and their cooking water, pour in the rice. Give that a stir and let it cook for 10 minutes. At this point, the water will be almost completely absorbed. Now, it's time to pour in almost all of our pea cream. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes, stirring often, just like you would for a risotto. With the heat off, add the remaining pea cream and a nice drizzle of oil. Mix that together well and add a little salt and pepper. And we are ready to plate it. Depending on your preferences, you can top the risotto with a little ricotta, or even a plant-based ricotta would be great. Sprinkle on some lemon thyme, add a couple grinds of pepper, and top with a drizzle of oil, like always, to give it that shininess. And my favorite moment has finally arrived. Let's eat. It is very delicate and delicious. Give it a try and let me know. Bon appétit!